9 powerful, but simple ways to be a success without spending a yimmy. 1. Make peace with your past. Making peace with your past is about self-mastery and not allowing your past negative experiences to have power and control over you. 2. Train yourself to think like an optimist. Think and believe those things that are not as though they already exist. 3. Engage yourself frequently in positive self-talk. Positive self-talk can have huge impacts about how you feel about yourself on a daily basis. 4. Surround yourself with those on the same mission as you. You want to be a success, you must surround yourself with the people that are already successful. 5. Develop the habit of reading. Reading is a great way to keep you informed and enlightened while it helps to keep your mind sharp. 6. Maintain a daily or weekly journal. Discover your own personal definition of success and write it down. 7. Continuously and consistently express gratitude for all that you have. Gratitude is arguably the king of happiness, contentment, and success. 8. Practice compassion and the willingness to give back. Be willing to give back to others what you yourself have received. 9. Be constant and precise with your purpose. Tilda Oprah Winfrey. Did you enjoy this article? Please share it with your family, friends, and followers. Like this. Related.